Okay, we did a video a couple of weeks ago on changing the brake rotor itself, and as we discovered, the pistons in this were seized. Most of them were seized, but all of the pistons in these calipers, because they're 35 odd years old, had it, so they've all been replaced. And we said we're going to show you how to take the brake pads out and change them. So first thing to do is pull these little clips out. Sorry, pull these little pins out to hold these pins in, and they should come out fairly easily. These little clips that to stop them rattling should pop out fairly easily. If not, they'll come out with the pad. Alright, so you've got to get these pistons back, and I did buy a special tool to use to do this with, but it doesn't seem to want to work, so you've got to push them back. And those two will pop out, but we'll put the pad in this side and we'll see how it goes. Okay, they say you should put some of this stuff on the back of the pads to help lubricate them. It's just a ceramic grease, it's by Bendix. And I always put a little bit on the sides of them as well, to help them slide when they go in and out. Don't need a lot of it. Now I'm hoping this will just slide in. Beautiful. And hopefully we get the other two back. Put this stuff on these little pins to help them slide. Alright, and these pins should just go back in, back the way they were. I'm going to put these little clips back in. Going on last time I did the other side of this. Probably the hardest thing to do is put this silly looking clip back on. All they really do is stop the pads rattling around on the road car so you don't hear them. On our racing cars, if we're doing long races, we actually leave these things off so that if we have to change the pads, they're not on the road. Alright, and they are a fiddly little thing to put back in. Once you're finished, give it a spin, make sure it all works freely, and that's it.